In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep effectively and create custom headers using Canva. This tutorial will guide you through each step, making it easy to enhance your organizational skills and add a personal touch to your notes. Let's dive right in. We'll start by navigating to Canva's website. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a user-friendly design tool perfect for creating visually appealing graphics without needing extensive design expertise. Once you are on the Canva homepage, locate the Custom Size button. This is where you can define the dimensions for your header, tailoring it to fit perfectly in Google Keep. In the Custom Size dialog, you'll need to change the units to inches. This will give you greater precision when sizing your header. After selecting inches, enter your preferred width and height for the header. Choosing dimensions that fit well with the Google Keep layout will ensure that your headers look clean and professional. After you've set the desired size, click on the Create New Design button. This action will transport you to Canva's design interface, a place where creativity flourishes. Here you can explore a variety of customization options to make your header truly yours. Start by adding a label to your design. Labels can help in instantly recognizing what the header represents, especially if you plan on creating multiple headers for different types of notes. Next, consider the background. Adding a color background can make your header pop, giving it the right visual appeal. Canva offers numerous color choices to match any mood or theme. Once your background is set, it's time to add some text. Click on the text icon and type in what you want to display on your header. Choose a font style that resonates with your style but also remains legible. If you want to add visual elements such as icons or illustrations, head over to the Elements tab. Canva's library is filled with a wide variety of graphics to enhance your header's appearance. Once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button, which will present the download options. Download your header in a suitable format like PNG or JPEG, ensuring it's in high resolution for clarity. With your custom header ready, let's switch over to Google Keep. Open Google Keep in your browser and click on Take a Note. This feature allows you to start a new note. To personalize it with your new header, select Add Image and upload the design you just downloaded from Canva. Voila! Your note now boasts a custom header, merging functionality with aesthetics. Finally, when you're done admiring your work, click Close to exit the note. Congratulations! You've now successfully created and applied a custom header in Google Keep using Canva. We hope this guide empowers you to transform your note-taking experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore additional features